Welcome to Brain Vision.
This problem is a continuation of the previous problems in this section. So we are given a graph, which again I have drawn here in a one-to-one recreation of the one in the textbook. And we are considering a few things and learning how to read this graph. So this question makes more sense if you do the other ones first, or at least read through them so you know sort of what's going on. But the question asks, if the voltage rather than the current is kept constant, what happens as temperature increases from 25 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius? So whenever you have something like this and you have a graph, it's going to always be beneficial to sort of trace out what's going on. So it says, what happens if we take a voltage? Let's say this is 0.5 volts, and the amperage at 0.5 volts at 25 degrees Celsius is 0.1 amps. The question asks, what happens if this voltage stays the same, but the temperature increases? So we go from T25 up to T150, but we stay at the same voltage. So if we just draw a line up until we intersect the other line, right here, that tells us what's going to happen to the current. So the current does not, A is not going to work because, yeah, here we show that the current increases, but these curves show no sign of any decrease. So there is no way to say that A is going to be true. And obviously, C and D are false because we see at a particular voltage, the current is always going to increase if the temperature increases. Thus, the answer is B. The current increases.